Hello, stylists, and welcome back to the FullStyle Inc channel for another video. My name is Nadia, and I am the creator and founder of FullStyle Inc. Y'all, y'all, the journey that I am currently enduring. Because at the time of filming this intro, this thing is still yet only half completed. I say about 75% completed, but my God, I have many questions. I have many concerns. I have some advice. But first, let so stylists, if you guys remember from my last video, well, video before last, I talked about how I had some major fun sewing goals for 2022, and the first one up on my list was to sew my own blazer because I really am excited to use the fabric that I received in my Mood Mystery kit, and I was already ready to set and go work with it. I got my pattern. I ordered some lining fabric. I made a mock-up, guys. You guys would be proud of me. I made a mock-up and I made the modifications and I went from there. However, so I did all this before I go into the tutorial. And I hope you guys can see what I'm trying to do. I have declared that this video is not a tutorial. This video is a vlog sewing situation. You guys are just gonna watch me make something. I'm not gonna I'm not going to try to explain anything because I barely know what I'm doing. And I hope, again, by the time this video is uploaded, you guys have something. There is something for you to grasp onto, because at this current moment in time, I am not sure, not hopeful. I am hopeful. I'm always hopeful. Child of God, I'm always hopeful. But expectations. I was not prepared. And you know, I'm gonna blame myself because I want to be mad at other people, but I'm gonna blame myself. I did not read. I read it through, but I did not read in order to follow along with it. How difficult it is to understand a tutorial that is not fully explaining each and every step. Moods, from what I noticed, mood patterns have it so like you already know what to do if they don't say it. And that is very misleading for some people who don't already know how to make a blazer or a pair of pants. And where simplicity and Macau's patterns can be a little bit confusing because they over explain sometimes. Whereas Mood's patterns don't really give you the full information. And that is where I am left, guys. I am left trying to figure out how to properly attach a lining to a blazer, a collar to a blazer with a lining. That's where I was left trying to figure out what is what. And then for some of my stuff to be too big, I have extra fabric tucked into places, darts and y'all, I'm not gonna waste this fabric. I'm not gonna waste this fabric. Hello, sellers. It has been a minute. I know I said I was gonna be more consistent this year. Ugh. February happened way too fast. It was my birthday month, and so yeah, that was the thing. I would insert clips of like what I did for my birthday. Or maybe I make that a whole separate video. So this blazer, it has been probably like 2-3 weeks since I sat down and I did that little what is happening with this blazer situation. And it's been a month since I put part 1 up. But I want to tell you today, God is forever faithful. My mind is strong and capable. I am finishing this blazer. Legit, I am sitting here top stitching my collar and lapels. With normal man's blazer tailoring, the lapels and collars are not top stitched. They're understitched. They're pressed to perfection. I have not those skills. So I'm going to top stitch. And plus, Mood sends the matching thread with, the fabric that you chose. So you can't really see my top stitching. Like if you get close, you can see, but from far back, you can't see that. So I have used my little cute little iron with the steamer setting, and I have pressed my seams and my folds, like in this collar. It's the collar. I have pressed my seams and my folds, and so those are pressed. I'm top stitching. Top stitch that. Now I am about to hem my sleeves. Then I'm going to hem the overall, the blazer, the bottom hem, and I'm done. Oh, and the lining. Fold up and hem the lining so that it, lays flat and it's not like moving around. And I'm going to do some hand sewing probably tonight or no, probably tonight or sometime Sunday, just so the lining can lay flat inside in some areas. But yeah, She almost done. She at like 95% right now at this point. It is all about just hemming. I'm so freaking happy. Y'all, this blazer. It is going to be a minute before I make another blazer. It is. It's gonna be a minute before I make another blazer because this. And if I do, I'm gonna have to use a pattern from one of the big four or something, because trying to follow along to the Moods instructions is very. I already explained this. There's holes, there's gaps, and that is for some people who have already created, sewn, made a blazer, and they should know those holes and gaps, and I do not. She's not perfection, but I will love her all the same. I just want to come and give you this recap. I'm done with the presents. I'm trying to make this tutorial so you guys are literally going to see the finished piece. This video could probably be long. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, leave a comment, like the video. I love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. It's the level of passion.
for